everyone. I'm Chelsea Rogers with Wireless Dealer Magazine. I'm at CTIA 2011. I'm here with Ricardo with Kika. Hi, Ricardo. How are you today?
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Tell us a little bit about your company.
Well, we're one of the very few companies in the industry that specializes on air cards, on USB modems. So we are a full service air card company. We can do anything from repackaging to refurbishing. We serve all the small carriers and all the wireless dealers as well.
Wow, that's great. I see you brought some products today. Would you like to talk to us about those?
Yes, I mean this is really what's driving the industry right now. This is the Verizon MiFi. We actually move quite a bit of these to the Verizon dealers, to carriers overseas. What this device and this other overdrive allows you to do is it allows you to connect 5 people at the same time with one single broadband connection. So for this trade show, for example, it's a great thing because you're in your booth, you turn it on, and you have Wi-Fi for all your team. So it's a very good thing and that's really what's the best seller for us right now.
That's really great. What else do you have there?
We also want to show that we, because we're a full service company, we do custom packaging for customers. So, for example, we can change this leaf for whatever the customer needs. We can fit pretty much any USB air card in there, and basically the customer can get some customized packaging for what they need.
That's great. So what else is hot right now?
What's going in the industry, of course, as you can see, is the 4G. You know, everything is going 4G now. The Wi-Fi and MiFis are going 4G. USB modems are going 4G. So what we see is just basically people want faster speed. Everybody wants broadband, and we are a company that supply all that hardware to anybody's needs on that.
That's great. And where do you see the industry going?
Well, the industry is really going pretty much everywhere you're gonna be eventually you're gonna have a Wi-Fi or a broadband connection. All the rural areas, everywhere in the United States and abroad, and roaming eventually is gonna become one single thing because people travel a lot. They always want to be mobile. They want to have they want to drive. They want to drive to Orlando. They want to have their internet while they're driving. So the industry is going really. Broadband is what's driving everything. So.
Definitely. And where in Wireless Dealer Magazine can retailers find you guys today?
We're in page 127 of the Wireless Dealer Magazine, or they can also go to our website. It's www.kikaenterprises.com.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Ricardo, for being here with us today.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. And I'm Chelsea Rogers with Wireless Dealer Magazine. Cool. That was easy. You're very welcome.